Nighttime is the perfect time to treat, nourish and nurture the skin deeply. The Advanced Night Restore by Medik8 is a potent formulation to take advantage of the quiet night to maximise your skin's results. Medik8 Advanced Night Restore is packed full of antioxidants to protect the skin whilst being deeply hydrating and also appealing to your senses to create the environment for a great night's sleep. The Advanced Night Restore is formulated with all skins in mind. However, it is particularly well suited to skins that are aging or perhaps more on the dry or dehydrated side. While we're resting, our skin is nourished with these powerful antioxidants, which really allows the skin to recover from all that has been affecting it throughout the day. The Midnight Repair Complex, this combines Saskatoon berry with a cell repairing peptide and a dragon fruit extract, and together they work on the skin to repair the free radical damage from the sun exposure but also daily pollutants. The skin's barrier is restored with the inclusion of ceramides 1 and 3, which proved to be so important for your morning routine as the skin is more balanced to start the day. If you are prescribed Medik8 Vitamin A Serum, this Advanced Night Restore is a perfect companion treatment as the N-acetylglucosamine works so beautifully with the retinol to really boost the hyaluronic acid, and you will see the skin really plumped up and much firmer as well. An absolute treat in this formulation is the inclusion of lavender, sweet orange and neroli. It's almost as if they just tell your senses to just calm down. We've got this. And as you drift off, the science in the formulation goes to work. Nighttime application is after cleansing and applying any of your targeted treatments to the skin, and it's perfect to apply to the face, the neck and the décolletage. Just avoid the eye area. Look, for you to transform your skin, you can search for Medik8 Advanced Night Restore at skinmart.com.au.